So how does one use Bitcoin? It's really simple. You download a Bitcoin wallet, whether on your computer or your cell phone. This app allows you to send and receive Bitcoin. The wallet generates what is known as a seed phrase. It's a list of words, whether it's 12 or 24, that store the information to recover your Bitcoin. It's known as the private key. We'll jump into this right after, but the wallet will provide an address for you to send and receive Bitcoin. And there's two formats that'll be available. You can get it in a text format, which you can copy and send to someone else, or you get it as a QR code, which is perfect for scanning using your camera. So now to get into a little technical aspect of the private key and how it all works. Well, the private key is a secure code that lets you prove ownership to spend Bitcoin. So when you create a new wallet, through fancy math, a private key is generated. And through fancy math, that private key is shown to you as a seed phrase, which is 12 words. Now you need to keep this private because if you lose your private keys, you lose access to your Bitcoin. There's also something called a public key. A public key lets you receive Bitcoin. So when a private key is generated, through fancy math, a public key is also generated, and a Bitcoin address is generated from your public key. And that's the form of text or QR code that you see that you can use to send and receive Bitcoin. A public key is like an email address. You can share it. A private key is like a password. Do not share it.